and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we're going to run Alpha 1 Trader, the robot you can see over there just right now. Let's push it up. There, this robot. We're going to run this robot on pocket option. We're going to run it for around, let's say 30 minutes or $100, whatever. I will find out through the video when I push the stop button, basically. But if you want this robot also, you can download this robot completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or the link you find below the video. And make sure you check out my copy service for Forex. This you see up there now. Find a link below the video for that also. Costs only $16 a month, and you can copy every single Forex trader do. How amazing is that? So, also, yes, one more thing before we start. Push the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you like to make money, you should subscribe. And lastly, if you have any question at all, put them below the video. And if you just want to write something nice, do that also. If it's something bad, you can do that also. I don't care. Whatever, put it below the video, okay? So with that, let's start up Alpha 1 Trader. And just like that, in less than 20 minutes, we made $157. So, if you want this incredible robot yourself, you find link below the video. So with that, have just an amazing day.